This definitely feels a lot weirder staring into a camera for these videos, but um, I felt that this would make it a little bit more interesting to follow along with the videos. I don't know. I guess whenever I watch like tutorial videos and there's no camera, it's like, I don't know, I get bored. It doesn't feel like, I don't know, it's strange. But anyways, um, I'm gonna go over making some simple rings in Inventor. There's two methods that I'm gonna go over. One being a revolution. Well, they both start off the same, and then they diverge from there. So, um, let's get right into it. No. Oh, let me move my face out of the way. Let's see. There we go. All right. No. So we're gonna go from the home screen. We're gonna open a new document. Oh, almost lost you. I like to use metric. If you like to use inches, you're gonna go with English. But just make sure you're doing a part file and not an assembly or drawing file. We'll probably go over those later on. But yeah, for now, if it's just one shape that we're designing, we're gonna make a part file out of that. So I have it automatically set to start a sketch on one of the planes, but when you start, you're gonna have to click new sketch, which will be right here if you right click. The right click menu has a lot of features that are also located up here. And it'll save you a lot of time by using it. So just right click if you want to go to dimension or to sketch or to finish a sketch or to extrude. Pretty much all the features that you're going to be using most commonly are going to be right here. And I think you can configure that as well to add things that you use. As well as there being shortcuts to use each one of these features. Like this one, you just press D. They all have their shortcuts. So if you want to shave some time off, then you're going to want to learn those. So let's start with the sketch. I'm going to use the y-axis to be my axis of rotation. So I'm going to draw a line there. I'm going to mirror the object over the x-axis as well, so I'm going to draw a line there. And I'm going to draw half of the profile of the ring, mirror it over the x, and then revolve extrude it around the y, using just the line command. So this is the inside. Oh, what is happening there? Just using the line command. This is the inside edge of the ring. So I'm going to make that a flat surface. So if you just click once and then click at your endpoint, you'll create a line. But if instead you click and drag with the line command, you'll make an arc. So really useful feature. You can do entire drawings with just one command, and you don't have to switch over to there's an arc command on the screen as well if you want to use that. But so this is the top edge of the ring. I'll go over down to here. What I'm doing right now is just kind of random. Get a couple arcs in there. And since I have this bottom line here already, this is an enclosed drawing. Now, if you have some edges in your drawing that you want to fillet or chamfer, those commands are going to be, am I blind? Here we go. Fillet and chamfer. So see this corner right here? Say I wanted to round that off. I could click here and click there, and it would round that edge. I do want to have one sharp edge in there to give it a bit of an interesting look. Let's let's move this over there. So yeah, if you're trying to move just one side of the arc, you're going to want to wait till just that point is highlighted. If you just click and drag on it, it's going to move the whole arc. Let me bring that in. Alright, so I'm going to finish sketch. You can right click, go down, finish sketch. Right click again, revolve extrude. The face is already auto selected, and I'm just going to click the axis of rotation. And now I have created half of the ring. So what I'm going to do now is go to mirror, go down to here, mirror solids. Mirror solids, what that does is it selects the entire object that you've created, all of the different features, which we've only created one so far. There's one revolve extrusion. But if you're working with an object that has a bunch of different features, instead of having to click every single feature, you can just click solids. And then we're going to select the mirror plane and press OK. And now we have a simple radial symmetric ring. Let us start a new part object for the second type. And I'm going to stop recording now because I am dying of heat, and I'm going to wait till it cools down to start the second part of the video.